Welcome to the second Middle Mastery lesson for Swoop for SharePoint. In this session, we will be looking at intranet health and how this is measured within Swoop. A healthy intranet is essential for ensuring high user engagement, maintaining content quality, improving efficiency, and fostering a culture of continuous improvement. By focusing on these aspects, you can create an intranet that truly serves the needs of your organization and its employees. Let's start off with the Essentials tab, which can be found at all dashboard levels throughout Swoop. This tab provides a snapshot of the most critical metrics that help you monitor and improve the performance and health of your intranet. By regularly reviewing these metrics, you can make data-driven decisions to enhance user engagement and content quality. If you only have 10 minutes to check on performance, the reports displayed within this tab will give you those all-important statistics. You will notice that the date range is fixed to the last 30 days to ensure this view provides consistency. The same reports in this tab are available elsewhere in the platform, where you'll be able to choose your own date range. Let's move across from the Essentials tab to the Health tab, where you can find out just how healthy your intranet is. We give a score based on the health of a page, which then rolls up to the score of a site, which rolls up again to give you a whole of intranet score. Our scores are made up of three components. The quality score assesses the overall quality of the content on your intranet. It includes outdated content, spelling and grammar, and broken links. The user experience score evaluates how user-friendly and readable the content is. It includes readability, heading length, and heading to paragraph ratio. The engagement score measures how well the content is engaging its visitors. It includes ratio of time on page to reading time. Having a consistent scoring system across your intranet will really help you understand what good looks like for your organization. Staying on the same tab, you will find the fix list. This is an essential tool for maintaining the quality and usability of your intranet. By regularly reviewing and addressing the issues highlighted in the report, you can ensure that your intranet remains a reliable and valuable resource for your organization. The list will automatically highlight any broken links, spelling mistakes, and missing editors. Finally, moving across to the Content tab, you will find the top files, top news, and top pages reports. The top files report identifies the files with the most visits. This helps you understand which documents are most frequently accessed, indicating their relevance and importance to users. The top news report lists the news items with the highest number of visitors. It shows which news articles are most engaging, helping you tailor future content to user interests. The top pages report highlights the pages with the most visits. This provides insights into which pages are most popular, guiding content strategy and optimization efforts. This brings us to the end of the second Middle Mastery session on health.